Google has finally made it official. The wait for the Pixel 11 series is almost over, and this launch is shaping up to be one of the biggest smartphone events of the year. After months of leaks and rumors, Google has now started sending media invites confirming exactly when the Pixel 11 lineup will arrive. From launch dates and expected prices to AI features, pre-order offers, and the full lineup, here's everything that is expected from Google's next flagship phones. The global Made by Google event is scheduled for August 12th in New York City. This is where Google will officially introduce the Pixel 11 family to the world. But what's even more exciting for Indian fans is that they won't have to wait long. Google has confirmed that the India launch event will take place just one day later, on August 13th in Gurugram, Haryana. According to the invitations, the India event is expected to begin around 12 p.m. IST, although Google has not officially confirmed the exact timing yet. While the Gurugram event is mainly for media and partners, all the major announcements, including prices and availability, are expected to be shared online shortly after the presentation. If watching the event live is the plan, Google is expected to stream the global launch through its official YouTube channel, the Google Store website, and the Made by Google event page. That means fans around the world will be able to see every announcement as it happens. This year, Google is expected to launch 4 smartphones instead of just 2 or 3. The lineup is rumored to include the standard Pixel 11, the Pixel 11 Pro, the larger Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the premium Pixel 11 Pro Fold. However, it is still unclear whether all 4 models will officially launch in India. Google is expected to confirm regional availability during the India event. One of the biggest highlights is expected to be the Pixel 11 Pro. Leaks suggest that it will feature a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powering the phone could be Google's new Tensor G6 processor, paired with Android 17 right out of the box. As always, Google is expected to focus heavily on AI, and this year may bring even more powerful on-device Gemini features. The cameras are also expected to receive major upgrades. Reports suggest an improved triple-camera setup with better telephoto and ultra-wide sensors, along with smarter AI photography tools. A brand new feature called Pixel Glow is also rumored to debut. While Google has not officially explained what it does, leaks suggest it will use artificial intelligence to improve photography and enhance the overall user experience. Battery life could also see a noticeable improvement. Rumors point to a larger battery along with faster wired and wireless charging. Multiple RAM and storage options are also expected, giving buyers more flexibility depending on their needs. Pre-orders are another important detail. Google has already confirmed that Pixel 11 series pre-orders will begin on August 12th through the Google Store. There is also an early bonus for customers. Anyone who signs up before August 8th is expected to receive an exclusive promotional offer on eligible Pixel Buds or Pixel Watch devices when purchasing a new Pixel 11 smartphone. Complete pre-order offers and sale dates will be announced during the official launch events. Now let's talk about pricing. Google has not revealed official prices yet, but based on previous launches, the Pixel 11 is expected to start at around 84,999 rupees. The Pixel 11 Pro could launch at approximately 109,999 rupees, while the Pixel 11 Pro XL may cost around 124,999 rupees. The foldable Pixel 11 Pro Fold is expected to be the most expensive model, with a rumored starting price of 174,999 rupees. Apart from smartphones, Google is also expected to announce new Pixel Buds, the latest Pixel Watch, Android 17 updates, and several new Gemini AI features. The company appears to be placing artificial intelligence at the center of its entire ecosystem, making this event much more than just a smartphone launch. With official invites now being sent out and the countdown underway, the Pixel 11 series is closer than ever. In just a few weeks, all the leaks and rumors will finally be replaced with official announcements, and it will be interesting to see whether Google can once again raise the bar for Android smartphones. If more Pixel 11 updates, launch coverage, and smartphone leaks are of interest, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so no future update is missed.